Hello everyone, this is KBM and we are your friends, and today we are going to be talking about taking back, being the thief for once. Taking back, being the thief for once. Many of us have had this impression that the government is stealing from us, our boss is stealing from us, our community is stealing from us, and our friends are stealing from us, our family, and we have this impression a lot. But I want to redirect your mind right now. I guess this is the time for you to take back and be the thief for once. You blame the government that the government is against you, stealing public fund and all that. Okay, I guess this is the time for you to take back. The government actually encourages some industries and gives them tax holidays and all that, or loans also, for them to be able to run a particular organization. So you can use that as an advantage. So you can take back, you can steal from them at that first. You can also take back by looking for tax loopholes. I'm not saying you shouldn't pay tax. You can pay tax, you should pay tax, but there are some loopholes in paying tax. There are sometimes you just pay lesser tax because of what you do for the community. Let's say if you are into real estate and you buy a landed property that the public actually uses, and you bought it for a particular amount and you paid. Okay, the government is actually going to give you a reduction in tax because you are giving it out to the public to use. So instead of you buying a house for yourself, you are buying a house for the public to use. So the government will give you a lesser tax paid on that house. Okay, now if you go into agriculture, the government will also give you some money, some 0% interest or 1% interest financing to your agricultural business. So that's another thing. So talking about your community, your family and all that, you can also steal from them by doing this. You can, instead of complaining about what they are not doing, try to do what they are not doing. Do it for them. If they are not sending you gifts, send them gifts. When you send people gifts, they have this tendency of retaliating, sending you gifts because they don't want to hold you. So you can actually steal for them. Send them gifts and they will send you back. This is KBM and we are your friends. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button, like and leave a comment below. To have a nice day.